I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail prawns. First, select high-quality raw prawns, either fresh or frozen, aiming for medium size. Carefully peel and devene each prawn, ensuring to leave the tail intact for that classic cocktail look. This step is crucial for both taste and presentation. Next, get a large pot ready and fill it with water, adding a generous amount of salt. This will season the prawns as they cook. Once your salted water reaches a vigorous rolling boil, it's time to add the prawns. Drop them in carefully and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're done when they turn a vibrant pink and curl slightly. Overcooking makes them rubbery, so watch them closely. As soon as they're cooked, use a slotted spoon to quickly transfer them into a large bowl filled with ice water. This stops the cooking process instantly. Let the prawns chill in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This ensures they are perfectly cold and firm, which is ideal for cocktail prawns. Once thoroughly chilled, drain them well and gently pat them dry with paper towels. Excess water can dilute your delicious cocktail sauce. Now, arrange your beautiful prawns on a platter and serve them with a classic, tangy cocktail sauce. A homemade sauce can elevate the experience even further. Present your cocktail prawns elegantly on a serving platter, perhaps fanned out around a small bowl of the vibrant cocktail sauce. A garnish of fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley adds a touch of color and freshness, enhancing the overall appeal. These are perfect for appetizers or a light snack. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, delicious cocktail prawns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.